So sorry for the inconsistency. I have enough time to work on my cars now, but even that, I'm trying to put myself in the challenge to rebuild my Mustang, which it seems kind of hard, but it shouldn't be. I got most of the front end taken out. That's definitely bent. Everything else seems fine, but just the front. So I mean, I'm okay with that. That broke off during the crash. I don't know how that happened. That's everything I took out so far. Not a lot, but I was just it was already night, so I just went ahead and did everything quick. Coolant. I shouldn't be leaving that around. But yeah. So the problem I did run into, since it's on dirt, I tried to put it on jack stand, but it kept sinking. So the only reason it's still not propped up is because whenever I would jack it up, the jack got stuck and I was able to take that. But whenever I put that on, the jack was able to come out and that got stuck. So I'm gonna leave it like this right now. But my problem for that is probably I'm gonna have to pull it out with a truck, which I really don't want to, but I'm gonna have to, and then put it on concrete because I have a concrete right beside me. So I'm gonna probably do that. But I was trying to go ahead and like rip everything apart to see what else I had to do, but I was gonna start from the front and back. But I'm like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off to see what I really need to do in depth. So I was gonna try to do this. The only reason I'm trying to get the back, because, well, one, obviously the rear suspension is shot. It's done. Like, it's done. And then this one broke off. It snapped off. The tire didn't break off. It broke off. And that was, you can see, completely bent. Completely bent. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably drag it out, put it on concrete, and do it from there, because I probably won't be able to for in any other way. So yep, I've been low-key building it, or rebuilding it, seeing what the problem is, but I think it's way too bent. Like, for one, right here, like, you can see where it bends. The crash bar definitely bent. You can't see, look, from right here, that's bent. This side's alright, even though that's where the impact was, but I don't know how the left side got more messed up than the right. And boom, right there. Now that's when they pulled it out with them chains, but because that was the only way to pull it out. But I took it out on my performance part because I wasn't gonna leave this here. I was trying to sell it, but nobody wanted to go through it with the sell, so I'm like, just might as well rebuild it. I think that'll be less of a headache than pulling little parts here and there, in my opinion. But just need to take that out. I need to watch out with that. Yup. The bottom looks alright, somewhat. Just this part, that's it. But everything else looks intact. Somewhat. Oh, dang, it's leaning. Oh, wait, yeah, because it's on jack stands. Never mind. But yeah, I think the biggest problem we have right now is just the back part. Because this side somewhat looks straight, but I know for sure the shocks are done. I was gonna take the back bumper off too, but I can't even, because it's cluttered on there. But I'll keep you in touch. See y'all next time.